So we're here today to really expand testing and make it more accessible for folks. What we've been seeing, and we all know this over the last month, is testing has not been available, and we said that typically a lab isn't the one that's maybe out there putting the tents up to do the testing, but we felt this was the time for us to help get something set up. So yeah, on site we're able to do the swab testing and also the antibody testing. We're having patients come through, collection on site here, and then our lab is local here in the Chicago area, based in Harwood Heights, and we're shuffling the specimen, all the testing there. We do that regionally, so even though we're based here in this neighborhood, we're also helping across the city and the state.
People are working together. People are going to be out there eventually, and it's important to know if they have the COVID-19 or if they have antibodies, that their plasma can maybe help people down the road who are sick, and it's an important step forward. I was so scared at first, nervous, and I got the swab test. That's it? It was great. That was what I was mostly nervous about. It was nothing. It's like they just went around my nasal passages, and that was it. It didn't hurt at all.
So the type of patients today, we've worked with some of the first responders, so for Norridge and Harwood Heights, and those groups are coming in, and usually we're trying to give them some earlier appointments so that they can flow through the traffic a little bit. But we are accepting patient referrals. If you have a doctor that maybe isn't seeing patients but understands your symptoms and says, for you to go get tested, their only option was to send you to the hospital, and you might be either in the ER or be turned away at that point. So for us, we're accepting patients with a doctor referral. And then again, it's this idea of being able to work with community groups that can help identify the folks that need the testing and organize them so the paperwork is all filled out, and then they call our hotline and we'll be able to help schedule an appointment. So to get more information about scheduling an appointment, go to simplelaboratories.com. We have an email dedicated to the COVID-19 testing as well, and we also have a hotline. We're really just trying to help make sure that every patient can be guided through the process and be able to do testing.